In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gamma I for beginners. First, head to the Gamma website. If you already have an account, log in. If not, sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, look for the Create New button. This is your starting point for building with AI. Next, choose Generate with AI. If you see format options, select website or web page. Gamma doesn't just make slides, it can also produce clean, scrollable, web-style pages, which is perfect for landing pages, portfolios, and simple sites. Now it's time to tell Gamma what you want. In the prompt box, describe your website's purpose and audience. For example, you might say, create a landing page for a digital marketing agency, build a portfolio website for a virtual assistant, or make a sales page for an online course. The more specific you are, like naming your audience, tone, and key offerings, the better the initial draft will be. Before you generate, adjust the settings. Choose a tone or style, such as professional, modern, or minimal. Pick a length, short, medium, or long, based on how much detail you want. Then select a theme that matches your brand personality. When everything looks right, click Generate and let Gamma build your draft. Review your new web page from top to bottom. You'll typically see a hero section, an about section, services, and a clear call to action, plus structured text and a thoughtful layout. Scroll the entire page so you understand what Gamma created and note what you want to refine. To edit, click directly on any section. You can change text to match your voice, add or delete sections you don't need, and rearrange the layout for a better flow. Aim for clear headlines, concise benefits, and strong calls to action that tell visitors exactly what to do next. Customize the design to align with your brand, update colors and fonts for readability and consistency. Replace placeholder images with your own visuals, or add videos and icons to bring sections to life. Adjust spacing and layout for balance. Generous padding and high contrast often improve legibility. If you need more content, click plus add card to insert testimonials, pricing tables, a contact section, or FAQs. Place trust-building elements, like testimonials, near your calls to action to reduce friction. Finally, update your buttons and links. Set clear labels like Book Now or Get Started and connect them to your social profiles, booking pages, or product and service links. Test every link before publishing. When you're happy, click Share or Publish, generate a live link, and share it with your audience. No coding needed, and you can update the page anytime and republish instantly.